back with another video. I know it's been a little minute. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I'm here with this quick little yellow cut crease. And if you want to see how I got this, keep on watching. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the products listed and all social media. Subscribe and thumbs up and enjoy the video. Mwah. I prime my face using the Poreless Tarte face primer. Excuse my voice, y'all. I'm going getting over a cold and my throat is like kind of hurt. It's like raspy feeling a little bit. But I prime my eyelids using the ANASTASIA contour kit, and now I'm going to use the HUDA Beauty eyeshadow palette. Now the second palette I'm going to be using is the Soft Glam by ANASTASIA. Make sure you guys thumbs up and subscribe, and check the description box below for all details as well. Now I'm going to cut my crease using the same ANASTASIA contour kit. Going back in with that same Huda Beauty eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use that yellow and pack that all over my lid. Now switching back to the ANASTASIA, I'm just going to deepen the outer corners of my eyes with that brown. I'm going to use the Kat Von D tattoo liner to give myself like a little wing here. Now using my all-time favorite drugstore mascara, L'Oreal Telescopic, I'm just going to apply one coat to prep my lashes for my false lashes. I don't remember what lashes these were and what brand they were, because I used them before, so I don't remember. I'm sorry. I've been stuck on this foundation, Born This Way foundation, y'all. It's like the holy grail. Like, I love this foundation so much. I'm going to highlight my face using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in Fawn. Y'all know this is like my go-to concealer to highlight my face. I'm going to switch it up though. I'm going to switch it up for y'all. I'm going to blend that concealer out using my Damp Beauty blender, and it's damped with water. Well, it looks like I forgot to show what's set. Oh, there you go. I'm using the SACHA BUTTERCUP setting powder just to set the highlighted areas of my face. I'm going to contour using the ULTA contour palette. Now I'm just going to use my little fluffy brush fluffy brush and dust away the excess setting powder off of my face. Using the same contour palette, I'm just going to contour my nose just a little bit. I don't really like a harsh contour on my nose. And then I'm going to use the Marc Jacobs eyeliner in black. Going back in on the Anastasia palette, I'm just going to use that soft brown and just, you know, go along my lower lash line. Using that same mascara, I'm just going to put some mascara on my lower lashes. Now, Trophy Wife, I'm going to be putting that in the tear ducts of my eyes and in the inner corners. I'm going to highlight the rest of my face, like my cheekbones and my brow bone, with MAC Global Glow. Y'all already know this is like my favorite part, doing highlighter. I love it. And then I'm gonna just spice it up, you know, add a little extra glow to it with using a Trophy Wife. I'm gonna line my lips using the NYX lip liner in brown. Now y'all, this right here is my favorite nude lip gloss right now at the moment, and this is actually my friend's lip gloss line. She has her own cosmetic line, and this is her lip gloss. Her cosmetic line is called Ritzy, so I'm gonna put the description, you know, I'm gonna put all her information in the description box below, so make sure to go check her out, follow her on Instagram, and support her cosmetic line. Lastly, I'm going to set my face using the NYX setting spray. And this is the final look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Thumbs up and subscribe.